You see, I want my pumpkin to be so scary that it's like I'm walking into the house and I'm like, "Go, get out of here!" And, you know, like that'd be pretty nice. You know, pretty scary enough for you to draw a gun and then shoot your pumpkin and then subsequently shoot your fridge and then I don't know, maybe like. You think a bullet like a 45 ACP round could get through there? I don't know. Maybe it'd destroy the Klondike bars. But yeah, I want it pretty scary. I think I can manage that pretty well. So yeah.